everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Lauki is one vegetable that is bottle gourd which can be included in our diet on a regular basis. So today I'm going to share a wonderful instant breakfast recipe that you can easily make for breakfast or for evening tiffin. And we're going to make these delicious and crispy Lauki dosas. So let's get started and check it out. I have taken one medium-sized bottle gourd for this recipe. Peel off the skin and chop it into small pieces. As this is soft and tender and there are no seeds, I'm chopping it as is. But if you have a bottle gourd with a lot of seeds, make sure you remove the seeds and then chop them into pieces. For preparing the dosa batter, I have taken 1 cup of raw rice, half cup of Urad Dal and 2 teaspoons of Fenugreek Seeds. Wash it clean, pour enough water and soak it for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, transfer the soaked rice, dal mixture and add about half of the chopped bottle gourd pieces. Next, add a piece of chopped ginger, 4 green chillies chopped, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon rock salt and grind everything to a nice fine paste. First grind it without adding any water. Then open the jar and add the remaining bottle gourd pieces and a little more water and grind it again. You can also grind the rice and dal in batches. Transfer the ground dosa batter into a bowl. The special thing about this dosa is that there is no need for the batter to ferment. Now you can start preparing these dosas as soon as the batter is ready. Check the consistency of the batter and add a little water if required to bring it to the right consistency. The batter should not be too thick or too watery. It should just be to a medium pouring consistency. Next, heat a tawa. I'm just adding a few drops of ghee and I'm just going to wipe it off with a tissue. Take a ladle full of batter, pour it onto the tawa and spread it nicely and evenly. You can spread it as thin as you like. Pour some ghee on the edges and allow it to cook. Once it's cooked on one side, flip it to the other side and cook. Once the dosa is cooked on both sides, remove it from the tawa and serve it nice and hot. There you go, here are these tasty and crispy bottle gourd dosas which are ready to be served nice and hot with some nice coconut chutney or tomato chutney by the side. These healthy and tasty Lauki, that is bottle gourd dosas, are wonderful for morning breakfast or for evening tiffin. Wow, that Lauki dosa tasted so yummy, especially with those nice chutneys by the side. So as you can see, it's a very simple recipe, and if you want to try something different with bottle gourd, definitely try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. You can now buy the second edition of our home cooking book at shop.homecookingshow.in.